Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 10th Standard Chemistry, Unit 10, Types of Chemical Reaction lesson. In our previous section, I had discussed first four types of chemical reaction. What are the first four types of chemical reaction? First one, combination reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Third one, single displacement reaction. Fourth one, double displacement reaction. Today we are going to learn about another type of reaction, combustion reaction. What is combustion reaction? The combustion reaction is one in which the reactant rapidly combined with oxygen. The reactant rapidly combined with oxygen to form one or more oxides and release energy. What energy is released? Heat energy is released. This reaction is called combustion reaction. The main source of combustion reaction is oxygen. The reactant combined with oxygen to form one or more oxides and release heat energy. So, in combustion reactions, one of the reactants must be oxygen. Combustion reactions are majorly used as a heat energy source in many of our day-to-day activities. For instance, we use LPG gas for domestic cooking purpose. We get heat and flame from LPG gas by its combustion reaction of its constituent gas. And we know LPG is a mixture of hydrocarbons. What are the hydrocarbons present in LPG gas? Like propane, butane, propylene gas. These substances are present in LPG mixture, LPG gas. All these hydrocarbons burn with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. In all hydrocarbon combined with burn with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Every combustion reaction gives water and carbon dioxide and release heat energy. Any hydrocarbon combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water and release heat energy. This is combustion reaction. What is the main source of combustion reaction? Oxygen. Any reactant rapidly combined with oxygen to form oxides. What oxide released? Carbon dioxide and release water. And what gas is evolved? Heat energy is evolved. The chemical reaction of combustion reaction, propane formula C3H8. This is one of the gas. This hydrocarbon, the propane formula C3H8. This C3H8 propane is combined with oxygen formula O2. Oxygen is the main source of combustion reaction. So propane combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. What is the formula? Carbon dioxide CO2. And release water also. What is water formula? H2O. In combustion, every combustion reaction gives carbon dioxide and water. Release what gas? What energy is released? Heat energy is released. So the final chemical reaction, C3H8 plus 5H2O gives how many water molecules released? 4 water molecules. And how many carbon dioxide released? 3 carbon dioxide molecules formed. So, two reactant. What are the two reactant? Propane and oxygen is a reactant. What is the product? Carbon dioxide, water, and heat source is released. This is combustion reaction. Since heat is evolved. Already we know heat evolved reactions are called exothermic reaction, and heat absorption reactions are called endothermic. This combustion reaction is what type of reaction? Exothermic reaction. As oxygen is added, it is also an oxidation. Oxygen added reaction is called oxidation. In lower section already learned addition of oxygen reaction is what type of reaction? Oxidation. Release of oxygen is called reduction. So addition of oxygen is one of the what type of reaction? Oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. So combustion may be called as an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Combustion reaction is called exothermic oxidation reaction. Exothermic oxidation. It's a flame is formed, then it is called burning. See this picture. This is combustion of LPG gas. Combustion of LPG gas. Combustion reaction is one of the what type of reaction? Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. So combustion main source is addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen is reaction is the addition of oxygen is what type of reaction? Oxidation. So this combustion reaction is called exothermic oxidation reaction. The flame is formed. So this is otherwise called burning reaction. Burning reaction. Burning. This picture indicates this is one of the burning. What burning? LPG gas is burning. Once again recall what is combustion reaction. Combustion reaction is one in which the reactant rapidly combined with oxygen. Reactant rapidly combined with oxygen to form one or more oxides and energy. What energy released? Heat energy released. The combustion reaction otherwise called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Heat is evolved reactions are called exothermic. Exothermic. Let's see another type of reaction. This type of reaction based on direction of the reaction. Direction of the reaction. This type of this classification based on the direction of the reaction. Direction of the reaction. You know that innumerable changes occurs every day around us. All are the permanent? No. For example, liquid water freeze into ice. Liquid water freeze into ice. But the ice is melt into liquid water. The ice is melt into liquid water. In other words, freezing is reversed. Freezing is reversed. So it is not a permanent change. It is not a permanent change. Moreover, it is a physical change. It is a physical change. The physical states only changed. That is, water is a liquid. Liquid water freeze into ice cube. Liquid converted into solid. Again, solid converted into liquid. This is one of the what change? Physical change only. Physical change, not a permanent change. The physical change can be reversed easily. The reversed reaction. This is one of the reverse reaction. The reverse reactions are called physical changes. The physical change can be reversed easily. Physical changes can be easily reversed. Can chemical change be reversed? Can the product be converted into reactant? No. Let us consider the burning of wood. Burning of wood. The carbon compounds present in the wood. Already we know wood contains main source is what? Carbon. The carbon compounds present in the wood are burned into carbon dioxide, gas and water. This is one of the what reaction? Combustion reaction. The combustion reaction gives two products, one namely carbon dioxide and water. Can we get back to the wood immediately from the carbon dioxide and water? No. We cannot. So it is a permanent change. It is a permanent change. The combustion of wood is what type of reaction changes? Permanent change. Permanent change. Combustion reaction gives two type of product. One is carbon dioxide, another one water. This carbon dioxide and water combine again cannot form carbon wood. So this is one of the permanent change. This is not reversed easily. In most of the case we cannot, but some chemical reactions can be reversed. Some chemical reactions only reversed. That is, our mobile phone gets energy from its lithium ion battery by chemical reaction. Our mobile phone gets energy from lithium ion battery by chemical reaction. So it is called discharging. On recharging the mobile, These chemical reactions are reversed. Some chemical reactions are reversed. On recharging the mobile, these chemical reactions are reversed. The chemical reaction may be reversed under suitable conditions only. Not easily occur this reaction. This chemical reaction reversed only under suitable condition. Hence, they are grouped into two types of reaction. One is reversible reaction, another one is irreversible reaction. See this picture. This is burning of wood. Burning of wood is one of the permanent change. Discharging of mobile. The second picture indicates discharging of mobile. This is one of the reversed reaction. The burning of wood gives carbon dioxide and water. Again, this is not reversed reaction, but lithium battery gives energy from the battery. This is one of the reversed reaction. Reversed under chemical reaction may be reversed under suitable condition. What are the two conditions? One is heat energy or something, any addition of energy is added. The reaction can be categorized into two types. One is reversible reaction, another one is irreversible reaction. Let's see these two type of reaction. First one, reversible reaction. What is reversible reaction? The reversible reaction is a reaction in which product can be converted back to the reactant. The product can be converted into reactants. The reversible reaction is represented by the double arrow with their heads in the direction opposite to each other. The reversible reaction can be represented by the following equation. AB is the one of the product. AB is one of the reactants. The reactant gives two product, namely A plus B. A is a product and B is a product. These two product combine back to form a again reactant AB. So the double arrow mark indicates this is one of the reversible reaction. That is, reactant can be changed into product. Product combine again back to reactant. This is called reversible reaction. The product can be converted back to the reactant. This type of reactions are called reversible reaction. The reversible reaction indicate double arrow mark heads. The heads are opposite to each other. The another one type of reaction is irreversible reaction. The reaction that cannot be reversed, these reactions are called irreversible reaction. That means the irreversible reactions are unidirectional. They takes place only in forward reaction, not backward. But reversible reaction occur in two reactions. One is forward and backward. Forward direction, reactant change into product. Backward reaction, product change into reactant. This is directional reaction. That means forward reaction and backward reaction. But irreversible reaction occur only in unidirectional. Uni means one direction. That is forward reaction. Irreversible reactions are unidirectional. They takes place only in forward reaction, not backward. Consider the combustion reaction. For combustion of coal into carbon dioxide and water. Coal main source is carbon. Carbon combined with oxygen gas to form a carbon dioxide and heat energy. Water and heat energy. Already we know combustion reaction gives two product, namely carbon dioxide and water. All combustion reaction gives energy. What energy? Heat energy. This is one of the what type of reaction? Irreversible reaction. These are the two types of reaction. One is reversible reaction, another one is irreversible reaction. Reversible reaction, reactant change into product, again product back to a reactant. This is reversed. One is forward reaction, another one is backward reaction. Reactant can be changed into product change into reactant. This is reversible reaction. What is irreversible reaction? The product cannot be reversed. Easily. These reactions are called irreversible reaction. This is unidirectional reaction, that is only occur in forward reaction. Example, burning of coal is one of the irreversible reaction. Dear children, learn today's topics. Note the assignment question. First one, what is reversible reaction? This is answer for reversible reaction. This is answer for reversible reaction. What is reversible reaction? This is answer for reversible reaction. Second one, what is called irreversible reaction? Third one, define combustion reaction. This is combustion reaction. Note the assignment question in your classwork note. Thank you, students.